Go.
Noah, long ago, God saw that the people on the earth were becoming very bad. But one man, Noah, obeyed God. Noah, I want you to build a boat. But Noah is starting right away. But the people laugh at Noah because he lives in the desert and there's no water anywhere from his boat. When the boat was finally finished, God told to Noah and his family to go into the boat. And when
His son.
Hans, Shep, Ham, and Japheth,
And when the wives
and Mrs. Noah
now
bring us any animals. Now,
did
give
exactly
what God told him to do.
and
God
God
watch over him.
when the
But
last
animal climbed into the boat. God shut the door.
then it began
Begins to rain. It rained so much. It
to what
covered
the
the
middle.
middles.
It
It rained so much. It covered the towns.
It-
It rained so much. It even covered the mountains.
but
But inside the boat, everyone was safe. After 40 days and after 40 nights, the rain finally stopped. Still it wasn't time to get off the boat. There
water
was everywhere.
one day
Noah
let a
little
little
dot fly out
to
to
see
see what is happening to the earth.
it
It
was
got a green leaf back.
hooray.
Hooray! The
The
plants
plants were
were growing
growing.
again. It
It
is
was-
almost time to get off the boat.
At last
Thus,
everyone was
out
out
on the boat,
and
Noah
Noah
make up
built
a altar.
Thank
Thank you, God, for giving us safe.
Then something
Wonderful happened. God put a beautiful rainbow on the sky.
and made
Noah a promise.
I
He
will
will
never,
not
I will never.
the whole earth like that again.
And when
And
God made
Make
a promise,
She keeps it.